Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Okay now. Let me come back to the go on, be money. No, me not get nothing. So bye bye, I say go. No, me didn't want the money. The money could have saved me. I have so much important. Alright, never. You're not get your phone. No, I want the phone. Somebody knows that.
Viewers and subscribers, after all our happen, believe you made the man go back right at the scene, you know, you say, but really and truly, I go and go back for some of things them when left, you see me, it's like some things where they just misplaced and anything there. If you listen to the video, you can actually hear them tell us, yo, that missing and rare and blah and all these things, you see me. So viewers and subscribers, yeah, the man does song, and the song really and truly look like him boss. In same name Platinum, right? And you hear the whole history and the whole story of everything going, see me? So viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall, I'm just keeping up to date with some things like this. So I say, I'm gonna tell them what the thing about this. You see it? That song the way him do. Is it that song there? I gonna make it big time or what? I'm gonna make me know what to think about that song there, because to me, it catchy and it controversial, but I don't know what to say about that song there right about now. You see me? Because social media is a funny place. You have a time when things will hot. No matter how stupid that thing sound, you see me? It just depends on what happened that will make it go viral. You understand? So let me know what to think about that. You see? Alright, so the man returned back at the scene where everything they happen, you know, them that call it the seed of the crime, but not really crime, you see me? Well, until the next time, you don't know, so Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted. My name is Skilla, I want to big up on yourself. You see it?